Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at Acer 2023 Aspire 5 Slim laptop. The Acer Aspire 5 is a highly anticipated release in the laptop market. It promises to provide powerful performance and features, all while maintaining an affordable price point. This laptop is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from students to professionals who need a reliable machine that can handle heavy workloads and multitasking. We'll dive into the various features and components of this laptop, so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. So, let's get started. Design. The Aspire 5 Slim laptop has a slim and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry around. It has a premium look and feels with a silver finish and a brushed metal texture. The laptop weighs just 6.19 pounds, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Display. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The display offers vibrant colors and excellent viewing angles, making it perfect for watching movies or working on graphic design projects. The display is also anti-glare, which helps to reduce eye strain when you're working in bright environments. Performance. It's powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 3 3350U processor with a clock speed of up to 3.5 GHz. This processor provides plenty of power for running multiple applications at once and handling heavy workloads. The laptop also comes with 20 GB of DDR4 RAM, which allows for smooth multitasking and fast data access. It comes with a 1TB NVMe SSD for storage, and it also ensures that the laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. Graphics. In terms of graphics, the laptop comes with AMD Radeon Vega 6 graphics, which provide excellent performance for gaming and video editing. Keyboard and trackpad. The Aspire 5 features a full-size backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad. The keyboard is comfortable to type on and offers good feedback, making it ideal for long typing sessions. The trackpad is also large and responsive, making it easy to navigate and interact with the laptop. It also has fingerprint reader. Connectivity. This device comes with one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port, data transfer only, one USB 2.0 port, one DC in jack for AC adapter, one HDMI 2.0 port, one Ethernet port, one headphone/microphone combo jack. It also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, which provide fast and reliable wireless connectivity. Speaker. The built-in stereo dual speakers on this laptop deliver clear and crisp sound, making it perfect for streaming music or even video conferencing. The speakers manage to produce a decent level of volume and clarity, even though they are located on the bottom of the laptop. It comes with DTS audio technology, which provides a surround sound-like experience. Battery. It comes with a 3-cell lithium-ion battery that provides up to 10 hours of battery life, which is quite impressive. The battery life is further enhanced by Acer's power-off charging technology, which allows you to charge your laptop even when it's turned off. Overall, the battery life of the Aspire 5 Slim laptop is impressive and should be more than enough for most users. Webcam. The Aspire 5 Slim features a built-in 720p HD webcam with a microphone. You can use this webcam to participate in video calls and online meetings. Operating system. The laptop comes with Windows 11 mode pre-installed, which provides a familiar and user-friendly operating system. Specification table. Conclusion. This laptop is a sleek and stylish machine that offers a great balance of performance and affordability. With its slim and lightweight design and powerful processor, this laptop is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone in between. Acer Aspire 5 is an ideal choice for those on a budget who still want a powerful and reliable machine. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. If you got the value out of this video, please hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and bell icon to see more videos from us. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can click on the Amazon link in the description. And if you use that Amazon link to purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive and helpful content coming your way. Also, if you want to know more about the newest Acer Aspire 5 laptop, visit our website using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.